Hey, Kevin.
Hello, guys.
You're underway, huh?
We are. Let me show you what we're working with here today. It's a single panel system, 1/2-inch plywood with aluminum on the back, and our tubing will go inside this slot here.
So warm water comes through the tubing, and because it's actually touching the aluminum in the middle, that heat radiates out.
It usually just come this way. Now it's got this cool accordion system.
Accordion meaning?
6 panels, which are taped together, and they're staggered for proper install.
So let's drop it. Let's show.
So this is just to speed your installation?
By far, much quicker this way, Kevin.
They key in right there, no problem at all. You start to see the pattern of where the tubes are going to run.
Correct, in our turns.
So it returns here.
Continuous flow.
The tape behind you represents what?
Built-in cabinets, which we want to keep the heat out of.
Okay.
So this is an interesting house, Kevin. There's not one wall that's 90 degrees. So you can see here. So Kevin's going to have to figure out a way to just have a couple extra loops in there to fill that space.
And dive down here.
Right, and then you come all the way to the wall here where there is no cabinets?
Right, it'll come here and fill every bit of it right here, and we'll work back, serpentine, go all the way to the wall, and finally dive back to the mechanical room. Now, this important step is to add this silicone transfer paste. It does 2 things. One, it helps to increase transfer. The other is it slows down the expansion noise that might happen from the tube. So this palm nailer is a real time saver. We used to take a rubber mallet and try to beat it in. This thing just puts it in perfectly every time.
Nice. Goes down real fast.
Isn't that unbelievable?
Richard, right?
So now, with this, we'll get it under test, and then the hardwood floor can go this way. You can see right where the tubing is, so it's perfect for nailing.
Right.
And then this one will be done, and now it's on to the living room. We got more to do.
But at this speed, you guys will be cranking.
That's right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Kevin.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.